Here today I wanted to show you an unboxing of HyperDrive's USB-C hub. This particular hub has 11 ports, and this is the packaging it comes in. Gives a little bit of information of the ports and where they're placed. So I went and chose the space gray finish. It is made out of aluminum. And here we have the cable that connects to the MacBook. Like I said, it's Type-C. It does have power pass-through, so you are able to charge the device while it's connected to the laptop. And here's the USB-C port, which you would charge your charging cable to. It also has VGA, HDMI, a mini display, and Gigabit Ethernet port. So this hub is able to handle a 4K monitor at 30 Hz or two 1080p monitors at 60 Hz. But onto the other side, it has 3 USB 3.1s, a microSD, and a standard SD, and a headphone jack. But that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you a quick unboxing of this 11-port HyperDrive hub.